Baking with Blair, mix it up everywhere. Sweet treats fun to share. It's Baking with Blair. Bake with Blair.
Homemade hot cocoa. You have to try this. This is so good. Best hot cocoa of my life. To make our rye syrup, we're going to start with a cup of water. Then we have a cup of sugar. Let's bring it to a boil and stir constantly. You want to make sure all the sugar gets dissolved. Once it comes to a boil, you want to add your rye flour. You're going to want to stir this until it thickens. We're going to set it aside and let it cool before we strain it. Now for the fun part, we're going to chop up our dark chocolate. This is really good for taking out stress. Now we're going to strain our cooled rye syrup. I wonder what this is going to taste like in hot chocolate. Now let's make our hot chocolate. We're going to pour in 2 cups of milk. Now that it's steaming, we're going to remove it from the heat and add the chocolate. Now we're going to stir in our dark chocolate. You want to stir it until it's all melted and smooth. Now we're going to add our cocoa powder. A pinch of salt. Stir it all together. Now we're going to add our simple syrup. If you like it really sweet, add more. I'm going to add more. Time to serve them up. Saving room for the marshmallows. Wow, these look so good. My brother's going to love this. It looks amazing. Thank you. You ready to try them? Yeah. That's really good. Delicious. You have to try this. This is so good. Best hot cocoa of my life. Hope you love this recipe. See you next time on Baking with Blair. Cheers. Cheers.